Hello everyone, I am Sanjay and I am going to talk about Swiss modeling. The contents of this Swiss model topic are as below. Introduction. Under introduction, I am going to talk about homology modeling, history of Swiss model, goals of Swiss model, objectives of Swiss model, and integrated components of Swiss model. So let us begin with introduction. Swiss model is a fully automated protein structure homology modeling server. This is used for homology modeling of proteins with unknown structures. It is accessed by a specific biological web server under the following link. It is also accessible from PDB, that is from DeepView. The DeepView provides manual control during homology modeling and tools for analyzing generated models. This is the homepage of Swiss model. Now let us know about homology modeling. Homology modeling is determining the unknown structure of a protein molecule by comparing it with similar molecules which has homology with the unknown molecule. Homology modeling allows to build the structure of a protein when only its amino acid sequence and the complete atomic structure of at least one other reference protein is known. The reference protein must be structurally homologous to the model protein being built. Structural segments which are through to be conserved within the family of homologous protein are taken directly from the reference protein. The homology modeling is also known as comparative modeling because the unknown protein molecule which for which the structure is unknown is compared with the known protein molecule for which the structure is already known, and by comparing those two we can determine the unknown structure. Now for history of Swiss model, the Swiss model was developed to mask the complexity behind a simple interface, making protein modeling accessible to the broader life science community. Manuel Pietist wrote the first version of the Swiss model. Then Swiss PDB viewer, also known as a DeepView, was developed by Nicholas Georg, provided a user-friendly interactive protein visualization software, and later shared the software backend with Swiss model. Torsten Squid joined the team of Manuel and Nicholas at Glaxo Wellcome Experimental Research in Geneva to further develop the Swiss model. The Swiss model was released on 18th October 1993. Goals of Swiss model are providing highly accurate 3D model homology models based on the latest available information and state-of-the-art algorithms, accompanied by reliable and robust model quality estimates, improving the biological relevance of protein models by predicting quaternary structure, essential ligands and cofactors, and relevant conformational states, extending the scope of Swiss model to new biomedical applications while keeping the overall philosophy of an intuitive, reliable, and robust user interface. Now, the objectives of Swiss model are: it was created to make protein modeling accessible to non-experts thanks to intuitive and interactive interface. It's now available for non-experts. It was first automated homology modeling service on the internet. It facilitates the understanding of molecular mechanisms by site-directed mutagenesis. The interpretation of disease-related mutations are known. The design of new drugs or determination of experimental protein structure can be done by homology modeling. It contains an up-to-date repository of high-quality 3D models of the fuel proteomes of 12 model organisms, including humans and several pathogens. It is tightly interconnected with several other bioinformatics resources at the national and international level. The components of Swiss model are: the Swiss model contains three components: pipeline, workspace, and repository. Pipeline is a suite of software tools and databases for automated protein structure modeling. Workspace is a web-based graphical user workbench uh, where where the homology modeling can be done. Repository is a continuously updated database of homology models for a set of model organism proteomes of high medical interest. It is it is where the known structures of homology modeling are deposited. Now to know about pipeline, it has four main steps. They are identification of structural template. It is done through BLAST and HS Blitz to identify the similarity between the unknown sequence, and by doing BLAST we can get a known sequence, that is template, and the template contains a structure. The templates are stored in Swiss model template library, which is derived from VDB. Alignment of target sequence and template structures is the second step. Model building and energy minimization is the third step of Swiss modeling. It implements a rigid fragment assembly approach for modeling. Assessment of models quality using Q-mean, a statistical potential of mean forces. Q-mean is also known as Z-score. If the Z-score is near to 1, then it is a good model. If the Z-score is below -4, then below or near to -4, the model which is done is not so good. Workspace, depending on the complexity of the modeling task that you are carrying, different mode of usage can be used, in which user has different level of control over the individual modeling steps. Automated mode is one of the mode. It is a fully automated mode in which when a sufficiently high sequence identity between target and template is known, there is no interface. There is no use of human interface intervention for homology modeling. It is fully automated, and the homology model is given without any human intervention. Alignment mode, it enables the user to input their own target template alignments from which the modeling procedure starts. Project mode, it is used in more difficult cases when manual correction of target template elements are needed to improve the quality of resulting model. In this mode, the input is a project file that can be generated by the deep view visualization and structural analysis tool. The repository is where we can store the stored details of the homology models are present. The Swiss model repository provides access to an up-to-date collection of annotated 3D protein models for a set of model organisms of high general interest. Model organisms include humans, mouse, E. coli, and various pathogens. It is integrated with several external resources such as UniProt, Interpro, String, and Nature PSI SBKB. This is the homepage of this is what it looks like when you start doing a homology model. We're using this model. The topmost column is where you paste your sequence. So paste your unknown sequence, or just give a UniProt KB accession ID there, and you must click on the build model or search for templates to start the homology modeling. Now a unknown sequence is pasted in it, and we can start homology modeling by clicking on search for templates or build model. I have clicked on build model, and this is what it looks like when you click on build model. It takes some time for the model to be built, so we must wait for it. Here you can give your email ID so that you can get the homology model when it is done via your email. This is the result which you obtained when you do the homology modeling by Swiss model. I have selected the second one, and the results are shown as follow. The given unknown protein unknown sequence was a monomer, and it has GMQE score of 0.58, which is good, and this is considered, the homology model is considered based on these GMQE values, and if the GMQE value is closer to 1, it is said that it is the model is good. And GMQE stands for Global Model Quality Estimation. The sequence identity is 78.78%, and the above one is 72.75%. So the second one is chosen as our best homology model, and the left corner gives us the 3D image of the protein. This is the protein which homology model protein. If we need more information, we can check it out. It is a monomer, that means it is single peptide. Sequential similarity of this is 0.52, and coverage is 95% coverage. And ATP is added to this molecule. This shows the hits between the unknown sequence and the sequence template which is used to build the homology model, and it gives us the hits where we have identity and similarity. And this is how the model is built. Thank you.